Yeah, yeah. All right. All right.
Yep. Too
Thank
soon.
thank you all the new yearly plan members that took action today. I know Norma West
Yay!
action.
I got it.
You did. Okay, welcome.
I got it.
Mark, can I
Yay.
real quick? I ordered your program, the yearly program. For those of you who haven't purchased it, I think Sunday or Monday. When I tell you, because I told Paul, I said, you know what? The next Zoom meeting Mark has, I have to tell him, your team is amazing. They're on you. They call every day. They're there. I mean, they email, they text you, they call you. I'm just like, look, I'm still trying training. Like I'm only like, and they're like, well, you know, what about your website? Ready for this? What I've done a lot of business. When I tell you, you have done an amazing, amazing job with the software, with your support team. I am, I am so excited. I get up every day and I'm telling you, I'm trying to do this 12 hours a day. Like I'm in it. I just want to learn it. Amazing, amazing. Get the software, you guys. It's amazing.
Yeah, yeah,
I concur that.
ditto. Yeah, yeah,
Her.
for sure,
Yeah,
for
Sonya
sure.
is Sonya and Miss Rose herself. They are the bomb.
Yeah.
So much. You want to know how many staff members I have?
How many?
50.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. See, a lot of people don't know that. And you will see all of them on our updated website.